So we're exploring rather extreme environments, many of which have more chemical energy available than energy from the sun, and would be perfectly viable habitats even if there were no sun shining down on them. And so that makes them an interesting type of environment to explore from the standpoint of understanding habitability of places like Mars, especially early Mars or the deep subsurface of Mars, but also other rocky bodies where you might have the presence of water in the subsurface and hydrothermal systems developing. So Europa springs to mind as another place. But now we're increasingly detecting extrasolar planets, including those that are approaching Earth mass and distances from their stars that would likely mean that they would be candidates for having liquid water on them, as opposed to ice, or as opposed to having an atmosphere where all of the water has boiled off. So, in a sense, one could generalize quite broadly about how the habitability side of this extends to understanding life elsewhere in the universe.